Did you know that Labrador Retrievers have held the title of the most popular dog breed in the United States, according to the American Kennel Club, for 31 consecutive years? With their friendliness, intelligence, and versatility, it's no wonder that Labs have captured the hearts of so many dog lovers. If you're planning to have one of these dogs, or if you recently added one into your home, make sure to watch this video, because we're going to talk about the 10 things you must never do to your Lab. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, where we bring you all things dog-related. But before we delve into the details, here's a friendly reminder. The things we're going to talk about are general traits observed in Labrador Retrievers. Remember, every dog is an individual with its own personality. With that said, let's begin. 1. Neglecting your Labrador Retriever's exercise needs. Labrador Retrievers are known for their high levels of energy and love for activity. Typically, an adult Lab needs at least 90 minutes of exercise every day to keep their bodies and minds healthy and happy. Without enough physical activity, Labs can become bored and restless, leading to unwanted behaviors like chewing or digging. Regular walks, playtime, and outdoor adventures are essential to satisfy their exercise needs. Regular exercise not only keeps Labs physically fit, but also provides mental stimulation. They are intelligent dogs that enjoy challenges and exploring their surroundings. Engaging them in activities like fetch, agility training, or swimming not only burns off excess energy, but also keeps their minds sharp and active. 2. Leaving your Labrador Retriever alone for long periods. Labs are social animals who are the happiest when they get to spend time with their humans. That said, leaving your Lab alone for long periods can make them feel anxious and lonely. This loneliness can lead to separation anxiety, where they become distressed when left alone and may exhibit destructive behaviors like chewing furniture or excessive barking. To prevent separation anxiety and destructive behavior, make sure that you are providing your Labrador Retrievers with companionship and mental stimulation. This can be achieved through activities like interactive play, training sessions, or leaving them with toys or puzzles to keep them occupied while you're away. Additionally, arranging for a trusted friend, family member, or pet sitter to visit them during the day can help provide them with much-needed company and attention. Struggling with your dog's behavior? Unlock the key to resolving common challenges like nighttime barking and separation anxiety with our free ebook. Packed with simple, effective training techniques that make communicating with your dog easier. Ready to make a change? Click the link in the description below to download your guide and start enjoying a happier, calmer life with your furry friend. 3. Skipping training sessions. Training sessions are very important for Labrador Retrievers to learn good manners and become obedient companions. Without proper training, Labs may exhibit unruly behavior, such as jumping on people or pulling on the leash during walks. Regular training sessions help establish clear boundaries and communication between you and your Lab, making it easier to manage them in various situations. Skipping training sessions can result in confusion for Labs and make it challenging for you to control their behavior, leading to frustration for both parties. One dog owner found out the hard way that skipping training sessions can lead to trouble. They got too busy to train their Labrador Retriever regularly, assuming their Lab would naturally learn to behave. As a result, their Lab started misbehaving during walks, pulling on the leash and getting too excited around other dogs. It made walks stressful for the both of them, but after they realized the problem, they started training their Lab regularly with help from a professional trainer. With practice and patience, their Lab's behavior improved a lot and walks became fun again. This showed them how important it is to keep up with training for a well-behaved furry friend. 4. Ignoring your Labrador Retriever's dietary needs. Labrador Retrievers require a balanced diet to stay healthy and maintain an appropriate weight. Ignoring their dietary needs by feeding them excessive amounts of food can lead to obesity and associated health problems, such as joint issues and heart disease. Therefore, make sure you understand your Lab's specific nutritional requirements to ensure they stay healthy and fit. If you're unsure, it's always best to seek veterinary advice. 5. Using harsh punishments to train your Labrador Retriever. As mentioned earlier, Labrador Retrievers respond well to positive reinforcement, such as treats, praise, and affection, when they exhibit desired behaviors. Gentle correction, like redirecting their attention or using a firm no, can help discourage unwanted behaviors without causing stress or fear. Harsh punishments such as yelling or physical punishments can have negative effects on labs, damaging their trust in their owners and leading to fear-based behaviors. Labs are eager to please their owners, and they thrive on the praise and rewards they receive for good behavior. By focusing on positive reinforcement and avoiding harsh punishment, you can create a nurturing environment that encourages your lab to learn and grow into a well-behaved companion. 6. Overlooking your Labrador Retriever's grooming needs. Labrador Retrievers have a thick double coat that needs regular brushing to keep it in good condition. Brushing helps prevent their fur from becoming tangled or matted, which can lead to skin issues. Additionally, regular grooming helps reduce shedding, keeping your home cleaner and your lab more comfortable. That being said, it's important for you to accept that labs shed a lot. Their fur will inevitably find its way into your life, whether it's on your clothes, furniture, or even your food. Embracing this reality and incorporating regular grooming into your routine can help minimize the impact of shedding. By accepting the fur and staying on top of their grooming needs, you can ensure that your lab stays healthy, comfortable, and your home remains fur-free to the best of your ability. 7. Preventing your Labrador Retriever from playing in the water. Labrador Retrievers are often called water dogs due to their strong swimming abilities and love for water. Swimming comes naturally to labs, and it's an excellent form of exercise that helps keep them fit and healthy. Preventing labs from swimming can deprive them of an activity they enjoy and benefit from. Thus, if you have access to a pet-friendly pool, lake, beach, or ocean nearby, consider taking your lab for a swim while ensuring they are supervised for safety. Swimming not only provides physical exercise but also mental stimulation for labs, allowing them to engage in a natural behavior that they inherently enjoy. Plus, swimming is a great way for labs to cool off on hot days and alleviate joint pain, making it an essential activity for their overall well-being. Therefore, allowing labs to swim under appropriate supervision can ensure they lead happy and fulfilling lives as water-loving companions. 8. Allowing your Labrador Retriever to roam unsupervised. Labrador Retrievers have a strong hunting instinct, which means they may feel tempted to chase after small animals if left to roam unsupervised. Without proper supervision, labs may chase squirrels, rabbits, or other critters, potentially putting themselves in harm's way. Therefore, you need to keep your lab on a leash or within a securely fenced area to prevent them from wandering off and getting into trouble. This precautionary measure helps prevent accidents, such as traffic incidents or encounters with aggressive animals, and protects labs from potential hazards in the environment. Additionally, it gives owners peace of mind knowing that their labs are safe and under control, allowing them to enjoy outdoor adventures together without worry. 9. Neglecting your Labrador Retriever's dental hygiene. Labrador Retrievers are prone to dental issues like tartar buildup, gum disease, and tooth decay if their dental hygiene is overlooked. Neglecting their dental care can lead to pain, discomfort, and even serious health problems. Make sure to brush your lab's teeth regularly with dog-friendly toothpaste and provide dental chews or toys to help clean their teeth and gums. Additionally, schedule regular dental checkups with your veterinarian to monitor their oral health and address any issues promptly. By prioritizing their dental hygiene, you can help your lab maintain a healthy mouth and overall well-being. 10. Not providing crate training. Crate training can be a beneficial tool for both you and your Labrador Retriever. It provides your dog with a safe and comfortable space of their own, where they can relax and feel secure. Introducing your lab to crate training gradually and positively helps them associate the crate with positive experiences, making it a place they enjoy spending time in. Additionally, crate training can prevent destructive behaviors when you're unable to supervise your lab, such as chewing on furniture or getting into things they shouldn't. For you as the owner, crate training can offer peace of mind knowing that your lab is safe and secure when you're away or unable to supervise them. It can also aid in house training by teaching your lab to hold their bladder and bowels until they're let outside. Additionally, crate training can make traveling with your lab easier and less stressful, as they'll already be accustomed to being in a crate. In conclusion, it's essential to understand and respect the needs of your beloved Labrador Retriever to ensure they live happy, healthy, and fulfilling lives. By avoiding the 10 common mistakes outlined in this video, you can provide the best care for your furry friend and strengthen your bond with them. Remember to prioritize their exercise, companionship, and training, while also addressing their specific dietary, grooming, and socialization needs. Remember, your lab relies on you for their happiness and safety. So by being attentive and responsible, you can build a strong and lasting bond with your furry friend. And that ends our video for today. We've covered so much about Labrador Retrievers, but we'd love to hear if you have any additional insights to share in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more positively awesome content. Once again, this has been Doggy Pedia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.